Hey, I'm coming to you from Bling Salon and Retail with one of our multifaceted products called Make It Lay. This Make It Lay originally was designed to maintain dreadlocks, any type of twist outs, a lot of control for natural hair, but it's used for so many different things. But today, my son Coleman, I will be doing a little bit of a touch-up for his dreads. He has not had a touch-up on his hair since how long?
I don't remember. Christmas.
It's probably been since December. So before our whole shelter in place and quarantine mandate came, it was time for him to get them redone. So I'm going to be using our Make It Lay to demonstrate a little bit of control for dreadlocks and doing lock maintenance. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with about this much here of our Make It Lay. This product here, it actually is an amazing product that has saffron, turmeric, lavender. It also has a complete blend of essential oils, and it's described to be able to soften as well as give a controlled hold to your locks. We use it for a lot of edge control. We also use it for two-strand twist outs for those who are natural. Go ahead and sit back for me. And so that is a really amazing, versatile product that we have on hand. But today we're going to be using it to touch up Mr. Coleman's dreads. I am not a loctician. I have much respect for locticians, but it's not my thing. But I am going to at least give my son some maintenance here, since this is my industry. And so I'm going to get it touched up for him to where he can at least get through the next month or so. Clips, please. And that will help him to be able to maintain a cleaned up look, at least. So I'm taking the Make It Lay, putting it on the base of the hair, and just doing a regular twist, kind of doing a coil with my fingers. Make It Lay is so versatile. You'll definitely want to get a larger size because you'll be able to use it for two-strand twist outs, which I'm in the middle of twisting my own. You'll be able to use it for edge control. You'll be able to use it for lock maintenance and shoes, just any type of twist out. Can be used on relaxed hair, can be used on natural hair. It is an extremely versatile product that we are so excited to share. We do have it custom blended. It is one of Bling's branded products. And so you can order it at blingsalon.com on our website. We do delivery for locations that are close to Austin and Pflugerville and surrounding areas. And then we also will ship out. And so place your orders. The orders will actually go out same day or next day at the latest. And so we're so excited for the support. It has been a interesting situation, our new normal, but we are blessed to be able to have other options, and we appreciate the support. So as I am maintaining and getting this young man retwisted to the best of my ability, I would appreciate the support by going to blingsalon.com, ordering any of our products. We'll ship them out for your support.